Okay guys, so I have a couple scratches here on the WaveRunner I need to repair. So I'm gonna show you all the stuff I use. This is just a DIY, nothing professional, just something easy you can do in your garage. The only thing you'll really need to get if you want it to look right is get color match paint, and I'll leave a link to where I get all that stuff. So here's the scratch right there. Now this is on the bottom of the ski here, under the trailer, but there's some scratches right there and right there where I load the ski up on the trailer. So here's everything I'm going to be using today. This is very simple. I had everything already. Only thing I had to get was this color match paint from Color Right, and I'll leave a link in the description where you can get that. So just a flashlight so I can see easier. I have some rubbing alcohol in there, and then some towels, and I think this is 1500 grit sandpaper, just to scuff up that scratch a little bit so it adhere. So first off, we're going to clean the whole spot with this invisible glass cleaner, get all the dirt off of it. I'll sand it a little bit, then we'll rub an alcohol where the scratch is, then we'll go ahead and put our paint on. So first off, I'm just going to clean the spot that I'm going to be trying to repair. That way I have a good working surface. And this repair is really only going to be good for small scratches in the paint, nothing very deep. Here I'm taking the sandpaper and I'm just going to sand down just a little bit that scratch, just so I have a good mating surface with the paint. You don't need to take off much here, just lightly scuff up the scratch. So this is the final step before we start painting. This is going to be just rubbing alcohol on a microfiber. I'm going to wipe it into the scratch, clean it as good as I can, get any kind of dirt, debris all out of there, any of that sandpaper residue gone. That way the new paint has something good to stick to. All right, we're gonna take our touch-up paint. We need to shake it up, do that for a good 30 seconds or so. So again, I'm using the Color Right. This is paint matched to the jet ski, but if you only have fingernail polish, that's fine too. But if you can, go ahead and get you some quality Color Right paint. It really makes the difference. So here I'm just going to be brushing in that paint. Just do it lightly, and I'll do this for about 2 or 3 coats, and then I'll come back and show you the results. Let's look at the final product here. This is after about 2 or 3 coats. Went ahead and let it dry for a couple hours. This is all where we painted, all up and down here. Now if you look real close, you can see, you know, where it's been painted, but if you didn't know it was painted, then you probably never pick up on it. But I feel like it's a good job for a DIY. Again, I'm not a professional. If you guys have any better tips or tricks on how to do this, leave that down in the description. I'm always trying to find better ways to do things. But I'm gonna leave it like that. Now, if it was up top here somewhere, I would probably wet sand it and polish it, just because I like to keep the top real nice and clean and shiny. But down here, especially way down where this scratch is at, you're never gonna see it once the ski's in the water. So I just wanted it to be protected for the most part. So I feel like it's a good job. So let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.